number field. Auto number means what? Automatically the data will be incremented. Like here, see, for the email we have chosen required and unique, but for name it is not required. That means we can save the record without mentioning the name, but we cannot save the record without mentioning the email. Email is mandatory because in the field definition we have chosen required and mandatory whenever we created this email field. I can save the record without mentioning the name. That is allowed, but I cannot save the record without mentioning my email. Now from here I can give the name. Okay, that is a record. See, the student record is AS001. Why it is appearing this way? Because that's the one you have created. I mean, you have written or you have edited whenever you created the object for the first time. Again, going to object manager, student. Fields and relationships. Okay. So see, this is the auto number field, student number, right? And what is the format? If you check, okay, this is the display format AS0000. That's why it is appearing this way. Okay, if you create a new student, like same email I am providing, but what we mentioned for the email should be unique. For S001, we have already given the same email address. Try to save. See, duplicate value found. Okay, that is the ID of this particular record. That means S001 contains the same email. So you cannot put the same email because the required, the email field is unique field. Okay, so you cannot put the same email address there. Now the record will be saved because the email addresses are different. And for this new student, this new record, what should be my record? Student number. As it is an auto number field, my student record should be S002. Check. S003 created. Why? Okay, whatever. It is auto number field, so automatically this thing is automatically incremented. It should be 2. I'm not sure why it is 3. Maybe some kind of bug is there. Only 2 records are there. Let's create. It is auto number field. So see, the next record is S004. Okay, so that is automatically incremented to the next value, automatically counted. So that's how we have created one training object similar way, and we have created some of the fields there. If you click on new, so this is the particular record we have created. Okay, this syllabus that you are viewing here, this is a text area each. You can write anything here. You can make it bold. You can change the font size, style. Okay, you can make it italic. You can change the color. Okay, this way you can proceed. This is a text area each. Website, we have created one URL for this one. You can provide any URL, any link you can provide. This is online. It is a checkbox type of field. Checkbox means either you can check this one or you can deselect this one, anything. Salary is a currency type field. Like what I am giving one value. So that is salary. Course fee again. Fee means what? It is again one currency type. So I am giving course fee here. Okay. Then we are having discount. Discount is a percent type value. Like percent I am giving 20. So it is 20%. Training mode, it is a pick list type value. Okay, you can choose any value, but you will not be able to choose multiple values. only one value from this drop down you can select. But this is educational requirement. This is a multi-select pick list. From here, you can choose multiple values. Like in the pick list, training mode, it is a pick list type value. From here, you can choose only one. But in educational requirement or in multi-select pick list, you will be able to choose multiple values. Then we are having candidate name, candidate email. This address is a text area type field. Okay, text area. And this DOB, it is a date time field. So you can choose the date along with the time. Okay, and registration number, it is a number type field only. Okay, you can put only numbers, you cannot put any text here as it is a number type field. Then code start date and end date, it is only a date type field, so that's why only the date picker is coming. Okay, while the DOB is a date time field. Code start date and end date, it is a date field only, while the DOB is a date time field. Same way, if you want only timings, for that you have time type of field, this one. And again, city and center, you are having one kind of uh, drop down. You can choose only one value. Okay, and this way you can create a new record, like what we did for the training object. That's what I'm just displaying to you. Okay, that's how you can create this one. Okay, any queries?
Hi, this is Vinod. I do have one question. So we
Yeah,
have I'm audible, right?
yeah, yeah,
So we have created a custom object called trainings or something student, right? So how we are adding to the particular application called sales? So can you show that?
yeah, yeah, sure. So whenever you are creating the object, I mean tabs actually, not object. So whenever you are creating the tabs, one thing I just overlooked because that topic I have to discuss again later. Whenever we'll be creating one application of our own, like here, if you click on students or something, suppose I'm deleting the students tab again. Let's create one again. Like new, choose student, choose any tab style. Next, next. This is the one custom app. Here, see all the applications are available. See under sales app, we are including the tab. If you are deselecting, that means that particular tab is not visible under this application. By default, it is included. This particular tab is included for every applications. If you go for sales, if you go for service, if you go for platform, if you go for marketing, for every application, this tab is included. That's how if you are creating, I mean, whenever you are clicking on save, automatically that particular tab is appearing. Okay, for this particular application. Got it?
Yeah, thank you.
Anything else? Okay, has everyone noted down the drive link and WhatsApp group link? Is there anyone who has not done it? If not, then do as up. Okay, just join over the WhatsApp group as well as note down the drive link. In this drive link, just go to the admin folder. In the documents, you are having all kind of documentations. Okay, that you can go through anytime. And these are the sessions. So your task will be to go through the session one, day two, and session three or day three. Okay, these three things are already covered. I'm just trying to give a overview of all the things. Okay, now whatever the things you are viewing here, right? Like these details, or like whenever you create a new training record. Okay, this particular thing, what is appearing, the modal or pop-up. Okay, that is known as page layout. From where I can check the page layout? If you go to the object manager, go to the object, going to the page layout. Okay, by default, one layout is created. This technical layout and non-technical layout, it is created by me. But this training layout, it is automatically created whenever you create the object. Okay, so there you can go and you can see the differences. Like these are all the fields available here. Okay, and what you can do, this thing is known as palette, and in the palette all kind of fields are there, whatever the standard fields, custom fields, whatever you have made or whatever made by Salesforce,